Hey guys, today I'm making these adorable cake pops. They are so cute and very easy to make. I'm gonna share my version of the recipe including all tips and tricks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload my new video. Hello and welcome to Belly Timber House. First, I'm making a simple vanilla cake. You can choose any other flavor as well. Starting off with half cup of soft butter, half cup of sweetened condensed milk. Check out my creamy condensed milk recipe in the description box below. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now whisk it well until it becomes fluffy and creamy. It's important to beat butter and sugar together as it makes our cake softer and lighter. Now I'm going to sift the dry ingredients, starting with 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. If you have added salted butter, then skip the salt. Sift all the dry ingredients and mix with wet ingredients. Make a smooth lump-free batter by adding half cup and 1 tablespoon of room temperature milk. Whenever you are baking cake, make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. At this stage, we just have to mix all the ingredients to make a smooth batter. But keep it in mind that you do not overbeat it. Our batter is ready. Let's prepare the mold. Take any shape of cake mold. I am using 7-inch round cake mold. Grease it well and put parchment paper and grease the parchment paper as well. If you don't have parchment paper, just grease the mold. Spread some plain flour all around the mold. Now bake this cake in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Our cake is baked properly. Let's unmold it and cut it into pieces. Now crumble the cake using a fork or your hands. You can also use electric mixer for that. Now after crumbling the cake, make small balls from it. If you are not able to make balls or if your cake is dry, you can add about 2 tablespoons of melted butter to it. Make sure you do not have any cracks on the balls, otherwise you won't get the perfect texture to design. Once you make all the balls, insert pop stick in each ball and keep the balls in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to melt my colored chocolate. I'm using blue, pink, yellow, white and dark chocolate. I'm using my homemade colored chocolate. If you want, you can check my recipe by clicking above or in the description box. Here I have these thermocol pieces which I'm going to use to keep my cake pop standing. You can use any cardboard also. My first cartoon character is Doremon. For that, I'm going to dip my cake pop in the blue chocolate. Use your other hands to tap and this will release extra chocolate. Now let it dry. Now it is completely dry. Now I'm making Doremon's face design using plain white chocolate. I'm using a toothpick. You can do the same using an earbud or a piping bag. Now using the dark chocolate, I'm making eyes. I've also used a red sprinkle for its nose. I'm also making mouth using red colored chocolate. Our Doremon is ready. Let it dry and move on to the other cartoon character. Our next character is Daisy. This is my favorite character. I'm making her bow using pink chocolate. Let this bow dry. I'm dipping my cake pop into white chocolate. Now I'm placing the bow on the top. Now I'm making eyes and eyelashes from dark chocolate. For smile, I'm using yellow chocolate. And pink chocolate I'm using for blush. Isn't it cute? If Daisy is here and I don't make Donald, is it fair? Let's make Donald. I'm dipping my cake pop into white chocolate and placing a blue M&M or gems for his cap. Now I'm making his eyes, smile and blush. I'm placing it near Daisy. So cute. My next cartoon character is Minnie. I'm using 2 M&M or gems for ears and now I'm dipping it into dark chocolate. When it is dry, using a small piping bag, creating Minnie's face. Placing the red bow which is made with red chocolate and drawing some white dots on it. Now I'm designing other parts like eyes, eyelashes and mouth. Minnie's done, it's time for Mickey. I did the same for Mickey as well. I'm making face, eyes and nose using dark chocolate. Next I'm making Pikachu. I'm using 2 almonds for his ears. I have done same as I did for Minnie and Mickey. Dipped it into yellow chocolate. Now it's dry, designing its eyes, nose, mouth and red blushes. Pikachu is ready. Last one I have is cute Teddy. Placing 2 M&M on the top and dipping it into white chocolate. Now it is completely dry, so I'm making eyes, nose and mouth. All our cartoon characters are ready. These are my favorite characters. What's your favorite? Comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.